guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cooking these delicious beans with you. So first I poured my beans into my pot, and then I poured water that I'm going to use to parboil it here. So I kind of parboil it for some minutes, and after which I stiff out the water. I remove the water. So here is my tomatoes, my pepper, my onions, and my crayfish. These are big prawns, dried big prawns, and here is my crayfish. So I'm going to be slicing the onions. Yeah. So I didn't blend my tomatoes. I sliced my tomatoes like the way I'm slicing the onions. And after which I will just tell you to stay tuned, follow the video step by step, and learn how I prepare these delicious beans. So if you don't like eating beans, this is the beans that you will see, you will perceive, and you will love to eat. You will never run from eating beans after eating these beans. You will love eating beans and eating beans and eating beans because the beans is very delicious. And if you are that person who eat beans and after which you run to the toilet, this is the kind of beans that you need, because after eating it you will never purge, you will not run to the toilet. So here I'm going to be pounding my pepper with my crayfish and then with some onions. So I wanted a bit of traditional and English in these beans. That is why I did a frying pattern, and then I pounded my crayfish and onions. And yes, you are going to love this pattern if you try it, guys. So here I'm going to be washing out the beans, that water that makes you purge. I'm going to be washing it out, and I did the rinsing of this water 3 times. Yeah. So guys, here I'm going to be adding my palm oil into my pot, and I'm going to fry it. I'm going to let it bleach for some seconds so that it doesn't catch fire when I add my onions. Yeah, stay tuned, follow this video step by step, and thank you for watching. Thank you for following me. If you haven't followed me, if you are not my subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay blessed. Love you.